It's so good. It's hot though. But this is really good. So, with potato, it's better than the potatoes that we had. We was in Tennessee. We had got some potatoes from a barbecue place, and they were brisket potatoes. Brisket. So they were stuffed. Well, they was laid out like this. They call them stuffed potatoes. So they had cut them in half like this and spread them out, and they were topped with brisket. Let's tell you, the potatoes was so good. It had sour cream and everything. And we did a copycat. I think I have a short video of it, but we did a copycat. But this potato right here, with this Alfredo sauce on it, make you one. We don't use some canned Alfredo sauce ever since I started making it from scratch. It tastes so much better. Way better, way more flavorful than that canned jar stuff. In other words, the jars. So good. I want me some juice and I don't know where it's at. You ate all your potato?
It was well, I'm not completely done. I was cooking more.
Oh.
Hot. I know. I had ate a hot one.
It was hot.
It was so hot. It was burning my mouth. I was like, "Ooh." Did I eat a lot?
All you got is some potato at the bottom. It's like you ate all the meat and all the sauce. I'm bloated. Yeah. I got that food first.
Do I just put it in the refrigerator?
Please don't put that's straps. Come here, bring here. Bring it here. Should this go in the refrigerator?
I mean,
Bye, Fifi.
throw it away?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Because you ain't gonna eat it. You just pile stuff in the refrigerator and then don't eat it. Good.
Well, actually, it's like a microwave, but same thing, basically.
I pour me some juice. I don't know what I did with my strawberry juice.
Be right back.
We had one in the mountains. Sweet ago. I think I'm still dealing with the opposite sickness. We should go. Oh, that's my juice. You got it out of my room.
Yeah, I knew it was there already.
Oh, so I basically got to my room to eat to watch FBI Most Wanted.
Okay, see you later.
When I came from the mountains, the mountains, okay. When I came from the mountains, that night I felt really sick, like dizzy, nauseated, headache, and then the next day was worse. And for 2 weeks straight, I was dizzy. I couldn't hold my balance walking sideways. Went to the doctor, said, oh, it's lingering aptitude sickness. I did all type of scans on my head and everything because I was dizzy. Now I just have constant headaches, like I'm still dealing with the same thing. I'm like, if I had known I can go on that mountainside, I would have went. Because I still be like unbalanced and everything. Like walking sideways. It's awful. It was awful. She's like, oh, you're just in a small percentage that has lingering aptitude sickness. I'm probably saying that word all wrong, but they just keep trying to medicate me with different things to treat the symptoms, but I'm not a medicine taker, so I'm just like, I don't want it. Really. I'd be like, you're not taking it. It can be one thing to say. If something says, oh, this sends signals to your brain, I'm not taking it. I'm about to go watch FBI's Most Wanted. I'm not going to say it's my favorite show because Law & Order SVU. It's still my favorite show. But FBI's Most Wanted